How's it going? This is a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. I'm going to do a full walk around and just talk about all the features on this great vehicle. First off, this one is going to come in the velvet red clear coat. Such a nice color on Jeeps. It's such a deep red. As you can see, it has a really nice flake to it. Looks really, really nice. So this one is the Limited, which is going to be the one of the highest trim levels before you get to like the Trackhawk and all that. So it's going to come with the LED headlights right there. Going to have LED running day lights as well. Right down here, you're going to have fog lights. And under the hood, you're going to have a 3.6 liter V6. This is going to be the Pentastar, which is a bulletproof engine by Jeep. This one is going to have 104,000 miles on it, but can go for a ton more miles. Gonna have the hydraulic lift to hold up that hood as well. Just an added touch. This one's also gonna have all the chrome accents around the vehicle. As you can see, gonna have it around the grille, right down there with the fog lights, and just taking a look, gonna have a bunch more all the way around. It's gonna come with 18-inch wheels, and this is going to be a four-wheel drive vehicle. So matched with these all-season tires, you're gonna get a really nice ride, but also a really confident ride if you're living somewhere up in, the New England area, Northeast, or just anywhere that gets snow. This is going to be a perfect vehicle for you. Walking around the side, it's going to have the chrome side mirrors. These are going to be heated as well, so that if it's, it's snowing, it's icy, these will thaw out so you can see out your side mirrors. Taking a look. Right down here along the whole bottom of the car, you're also going to have the matte black plastic. That is just going to help so that if any rock jumps up, it's not going to hit your paint, and that will deflect it off. These are also going to have the WeatherTech rain guards, so that if it's raining, and actually it's the Jeep rain guards, my bad, but if it's raining, it won't get into the cabin if you want your window open a crack. Going to also have the sunroof up there, which I'll show a little more inside. Also going to have the roof rack up there, which is really easy if you want to attach a snowboard, ski rack, cargo rack, anything like that. Nice and easy to just snap right on. This is also going to get good gas mileage, going to average around 24 to 29, depending how you drive, city, highway, all that. Coming to the back now, you're going to have the backup camera right here, right down there. You're also going to have Park Sense back here. What Park Sense does is if you get too close to anything, it will let you know and give you a hazard on your dashboard to let you know you're getting close. But come to the back now, lift up the tailgate right there, and it has the power lift tailgate, really nice option. Going to have the privacy panel as well that you can fold down like that if you don't need it, but just a nice added touch. The floor mats are going to be back here. Also going to have the spare tire under there. But ton of storage back here as well. Whether you're looking for groceries, anything like that. This is going to be a moderate size SUV. Also, to close the tailgate, hit this button right there and it will automatically close for you. This is also going to have the premium audio system in it, which is a really nice touch. But closing right now, like I said, hit that button and it will close by itself. Coming to the interior now, gonna have black leather all the way around. Another really nice added touch on the Limited. Back seat, you're gonna have some good storage space back here. You're also gonna have some decent legroom. Gonna have the cup holders right here, and right down here you're gonna have your vents. Gonna have a few different buttons to change it how the rear passenger would like. But yeah, and actually, like I said, looking up, you are going to have that panoramic sunroof. Such a nice added touch with the panoramic sunroof, so that the rear and front passenger, the driver, can all get, the added feature of the sunroof. Coming down into the front seat, and you're also going to have the black leather up here. These are also going to be heated seats, heated steering wheel. Really, really nice. I wish my car had it up in the snowy weather. Just a nice added touch. You hit the button, it'll become nice and warm. And I don't know if you noticed, but when I turn the car on, it actually, so the steering wheel comes down to your adjusted height as well as the seat. But taking a look at that steering wheel, gonna have a bunch of buttons on it to control the dashboard. This side, you're gonna have some buttons for the climate control, end of call right here, start a call, anything like that. Also gonna have paddle shifters. You just put this right down here into the manual mode. Super, super nice. I think it's a great added touch. Kind of get the sporty feel in a great SUV. So like I said, gonna have 104,000 miles on it. You can actually kind of go through this. Gonna have some features in here, some different settings, so that you kind of swap between, radio, all that. But you can also see when the car is on. You can also see, speedometer, all that. Coming to the infotainment system, this is going to be the Uconnect 4 system. So it's going to have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, but it's also going to have radio, media, and a bunch of different stuff. This is one also going to have navigation, which is an added feature that not everyone has, but this one does, which is really cool. Also going to have Sirius XM. You do have to pay. It doesn't come with the car automatically, but just a nice thing. Going to have a bunch of apps in here. This is kind of control the car how you want. You can kind of do the different climate right here, heated steering wheel, all that, which is going to have the buttons down here for it. But if you want to feel fancy and use it just with the touchscreen, all of that is going to be here. Going to have some of the settings. I do need the car on to do that, but I'm going to have the settings so that, I want to change the light, the clock, anything like that, the display. I can do that all right here. But like I said, climate control right down here. Gonna have, automatics turn, like when it comes to a stop and it automatically turns off, you can turn that off right there. Sport mode, traction control, all that is going to be right here. Coming down here, you do have some of the outlets down there, as well as just a little storage to place your phone if you like, cup holders, and right here is going to be where you can switch between, the different driving modes. You can see obviously snow, sand, mud, and rock, and then the sports up there. But yeah, really cool touch, and just getting a whole look at this vehicle. Let me turn it off and step outside to get one more look. It's going to be like the perfect mid-size sedan or mid-size SUV if you're looking for one. This one is for sale. We have it. I will put the listing down below. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call or come on in if you're interested in this one. But hopefully this was helpful. And if you want more reviews, more walkthroughs, everything like that, stay tuned. We'll have more coming.